Hey friends, Anthony from Figma here. I just wanted to give a quick tip on using the color input field. You can actually use real color names like red or blue to quickly set hex values. This can be really useful if you're ideating and you don't have a specific value, or you don't have a save style handy, or just don't want to open the color picker. I find that using pink and light blue are really useful for when I'm blocking out colors or just doing some rapid design. So what names can we use? Well, it's actually a very specific list that's defined in the CSS color module, also known as the X11 colors. And there are some pretty interesting ones in there, like Burleywood or Thistle. And I know what you're saying. This seems pretty random. Who named these colors? Why is dark gray lighter than gray? Why is there a medium red violet but no red violet? If you're interested in the sordid history of X11 colors, check out a great talk by Alex Sexton called Peach Puffs and Lemon Chiffons. Otherwise, enjoy the madness and happy designing.